Hello, today we will guide you through how to overlay in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app and make sure you're on the main editing screen. If you're creating a new project, this is where you'll begin building your video. Overlays are useful when you want to place one video on top of another, such as for picture-in-picture effects, reaction clips, tutorials, or visual comparisons. Once you're inside the app, you're ready to bring your media into the timeline. Next, drag your sample video onto the timeline. This first video will act as your base layer, which means it will sit underneath everything else in the project. Think of this as the main footage your audience will see first. Before moving on, it helps to make sure this clip is placed where you want it and that it's visible in the preview window. After that, drag another video above the first video to create the overlay. In CapCut, placing a clip above the original footage is what makes it appear as an overlay instead of replacing the main video. This second clip is the one you'll adjust and position on top of the base video. Once it's added, you should be able to see both layers in the timeline, with the top one acting as the overlay. Now click on the second video, the overlay clip, and look for the basic settings at the top right of the screen. This is where CapCut gives you control over how that overlay appears. Selecting the correct clip is important here because any adjustments you make will only apply to the video that is currently highlighted. From there, drag the scale control to adjust the size of the overlay video. Increasing the scale will make the overlay larger, while decreasing it will make it smaller. This is especially helpful if you want the second clip to sit neatly in a corner or occupy only part of the screen. As you adjust the size, keep an eye on the preview so you can see exactly how it looks in relation to the background video. Finally, follow the on-screen controls to refine the overlay size until it looks the way you want. CapCut's preview makes this easier, so take your time and make small adjustments if needed. The goal is to make sure the overlay is clear, well-placed, and visually balanced with the main video. Once everything looks right, your overlay setup is complete and ready for the next stage of editing.